Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Buldak Ramen Quattro Cheese. This guide will help you create a delicious and cheesy meal. First, ensure you have 1 package of Buldak Quattro Cheese ramen. You'll also need about 600 milliliters of water for cooking. For an extra rich flavor, consider having additional cheese, such as mozzarella or cheddar, on hand. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. Now, let's get those noodles cooking perfectly. Bring 600 milliliters of water to a rolling boil in a medium pot. Carefully add your Buldak ramen noodles and let them cook for approximately 5 minutes or until they reach your desired tenderness. After cooking, drain most of the water, leaving about 8 tablespoons in the pot. Then, add the liquid sauce packet and stir it well to coat all the noodles evenly. This is where the magic happens with the cheese. After mixing the liquid sauce, sprinkle in the powdered cheese packet that comes with the ramen. Stir continuously until the cheese melts completely, creating a smooth and creamy sauce. If you desire an even richer flavor, now is the time to add about 25 grams of extra shredded cheese, like mozzarella. Mix it in until it's fully melted and incorporated. Your delicious Buldak Quattro Cheese ramen is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the hot, cheesy noodles into your favorite serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish your ramen with some chopped green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Serve it immediately to savor the warmth and rich flavors. Get ready to indulge in this incredibly satisfying and spicy, cheesy dish. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.